Okay, I'm going to touch on a few of the basics of Photoshop here in this video. Um, this is your move tool. Basically, you use it to move things around. Okay, but I'm going to go draw a few simple shapes. Go down to the shape tool, you right click on it, and it opens this box more easily because you've got these basic tools, of course, that you can select. I'm going to start with a circle, which if you hold the shift, just like on auto or Trail Draw, you can constrain it. Okay, now you notice when I did that, it created a layer. Okay, and Photoshop, almost everything's automatically created on a layer. And you notice that, I like this color picker here. I changed to my primary color. You use this to switch colors around, but it works differently, because than in Photo Paint, I think, because some of these old, if I recall, your right mouse button actually use this color, your left mouse button use that color, but sometimes. But here, this is just always the color you're drawing with. This is like a backup or an alternate. I've not seen that used in any other way yet. This converts to black and white, which is great for masks, which you'll see in some other videos. But again, I'm going to draw some circles here. Draw another circle. Oh, well, here, make sure you're not, in this mode. This mode draws like lines, and this mode, I don't know what it does, fill pixels. I'm not quite sure what the hell that does. But yeah, when you draw on this pen here, it actually draws it on the current layer, because that's like a path tool. So, but that's not what I want to do. Control Alt Z undoes is an undo key on this. But yeah, this here is the, believe it or not, the color picker you got to choose, which is kind of retarded. Okay, when you're in this mode, it says add shape to area, with a plus. That's actually adding more than one shape. It's almost like a Boolean operation. But normally you might want to draw in this mode if you want everything to be on a separate layer. So you see this created two separate layers here, and then we can go draw like some rounded rectangles. Again, constrain makes it a square. Just Control Z is a basic undo, but it only toggles back and forth. What the hell's going on? I keep changing the color of the layer I'm on as opposed to the object I'm drawing. So if you want them all on separate layers and to be different colors, you better start by drawing an object and then change its color later, I suppose. So it'll be on a separate layer. Anyway, if you grab your move tool, you can kind of move these things around, and I got the smart constraints on, which are activated in here somewhere. So I think it's in here. But you can look at one of the other videos to see how that's activated. But like I said, these are all on separate layers. If you create them the way I created them, or like I said again, you can put them on the same layer by selecting this. So we're on the yellow layer right now, and again you can set these separate objects apparently there's no way constraining this. I don't want to do that. I want to see it grabs them as a whole. When you plop them down there, they're not apparently differentiable again anymore. So once you put an object down in there like that, okay, now I was able to do it. Change the color. Well, it's on a different layer though. So anyway, the point is that those are some of the drawing basics.